welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is Valentine's gift unboxing. Of course, I would like to say thank you so much to the sender, Mr. John Guilds. Thank you once again. So, gosh, I can't believe this. I'm so excited. Although this will not be like, oh, what could be inside? I don't have an idea. But of course, what makes me excited is this is a very nice keyboard, and I don't think even I get rich, I can still afford this. Well, this is very expensive. I don't know if I will actually buy this kind of keyboard for myself. I feel like I don't deserve it. Wow, don't deserve it. Well, yeah. Which one I would open first? Well, I guess, okay, let's start with this one, I guess. Okay, so for this one, this is, okay, let's try to recycle the plastic. So, let's not break it. Okay, another bubble wrap. Okay, let's try not to break also what's inside. Okay. Oh, nice color. Sky blue and kind of green, apple green. So this is a ta-da! This is a jar opener. I think this is the first, yeah, I know this is the first time I am going to use a jar opener, because if you remember, guys, he sent me a cheese whiz, and he saw me having a hard time to open it without asking help from someone. So yeah, this is the reason why it is born. This is cute. Okay, let's try in the future how to use this. Wow, I know it's just like put it on the cover or like on the top of, you know, like the lid, and then squeeze it. And now I'm curious what's inside. Actually, before I leave the house today, you know, it is actually delivered. And then now let's open. This is from Amazon. Yeah. Okay. John, here you go. It's now here. Actually, it's the Air 21 who delivered it. And he asked like, hey, apology for the late delivery. And like that. Because he was saying that we are very far away. Yeah, it's very far away. And, you know, they have to use another way for them to get here, because the bridge going in our barangay is broken. Wow! Wow! What's this? Okay. Oh, I see. So this is a Steel Series also. Cloth gaming mouse pad. Okay, let's open it. Gosh. I have an idea about this Steel Series. It's because when, you know, I know it's kind of expensive, because when when this arrived, it's not covered with plastic, so you can actually see what's inside. And my brother says that, wow, it's very expensive. So I was like, really? How did you know about it? So he said that he keeps looking at Lazada, like what kind of keyboard he wants, and then he always see this kind of the brand. So yeah, so this is my mouse pad. It's quite big, huh? I like it. Okay. And then I have here, I think this is, yeah, a spatula. Okay. This is a nice spatula. You know, this is very quality product. You know, you can tell when you touch it, it's just not You know, the one that I'm just buying somewhere. Really? Okay. It's cute. And I have black and red. Nice. Okay, this is for the kitchen. So I have for the office and I have for the kitchen. And another one for the kitchen. Wow, it's funny. Okay, 2 of these and then 2 of these again. Okay. Oops. Okay, another spatula. Or like, what do you call this? Yeah, I think it's also called spatula. You know. Then I really like, you know, the last one that he gave me. It's super duper nice. It's my favorite. I always have to wash it first. You know, if it's already used, I have to wash it first. And I'm not going to use the one that is not that is clean. So I'll have to you used it. This is my favorite. So and now I have 3. Okay, nice. Okay, I love it. And next, let's proceed to, now we are going to touch our health aspect. Health aspect. This is Centrum Women. So yeah, 250 tablets. So every day, so how many days? You calculate it, guys. I'm not very good at math. Yeah. I'll be healthy. Eating healthy while, you know, working. Yeah. Thank you so much, John. And of course, I still have one. Gosh, this is a lot of gift for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. I'm so lucky. Why? Very, very lucky, huh? This is mouse. My gosh. Oh, this is actually not the last because I did not open this yet also. Oh my gosh. Let's open this. Okay, how am I going to open you here? Okay, there you go. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, exciting. Goodness. Wow. Okay. Looks good. I think it's not very heavy, but it's not a very, you know, what do you call that? That's not heavy, but not, you know, not like a super lightweight. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is, okay, this is the cord. Okay, and then what else inside here? I can still feel something is inside. Something rubber. Oh, shucks. Let's not try to break all the... There you go. Wait, I watched a... Shucks! Okay, so for this mouse, there's like 4G. So I think it has something to do with the... I know there is something detachable somewhere here. This is the... Yeah, I'm looking for this one. You can actually put this inside. This is actually the weight, but I just don't know how they do it. I don't want to break it. Okay. Now I know. Okay. There you go. So, yeah, here. And then if you want it a little bit heavy, you should put, like, for example, 4 grams of this and then put it like this, you know, and another one for here. Okay. If you really want it very heavy, because some people, they don't want it very light. So, okay, let's put it here. And then, looks, it's now here. And then you put this back. Ta-da! Okay, and then for the other one, just do the same. I like it. Okay. Now, let's proceed to our keyboard. Keyboard. This is awesome, guys. I've seen a video of unboxing of this one and then how to use this. My gosh, you know, I'm not gonna do the tutorial here. I will just do the unboxing and then I'll just figure it out myself, like how to use it. So, but yeah, I have an idea about this product now that he sent me a link. Okay. Well, the good thing about you, Jen, is every time you send me something, is you always send me a video from YouTube on how to use this. So thank you very much for making my life easier. Yeah, oh my gosh, this is lovely. And then, okay, this is included in the keyboard. Let's open it later. Okay, for this one, okay. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Keyboard. Okay. So, wow. You can really tell quality product. I have my keyboard, but it's very, very simple. And I'm a big fan of, lights. You can change the light color. You can change, like, for example, this key, you want it in, a different color from the rest, or like for, like a specific key. And then you can actually, like, what do you call it? Like the sensitivity when you touch it, something like that. So, oh my God, thank you so much, John. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much, and belated happy Valentine's Day, because I know I'm going to post this video after Valentine's Day. So belated happy Valentine's Day, everyone, and of course to you, John. Thank you so much, John Guilds, for all this gift. I'm so spoiled. Thank you very much. So guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment down below, and share, and it will help my channel grow. See you next time.